everyone. Today I am going to explain the software testing lifecycle, commonly known as STLC. STLC is a structured process that defines the various stages involved in testing software to ensure its quality and reliability. Testing lifecycle or STLC is a structured process that defines the key phases involved in testing a software product. It helps team plan, design, execute, and close testing activities systematically. STLC focuses slowly on testing within the broader software development lifecycle, ensuring defects are identified and resolved before release, leading to high quality product. Following STLC brings clarity, efficiency, and quality. Testing goals are set early, resources are planned smartly, and requirement gaps are caught before coding. Progress is tracked with clear criteria, and defects are fixed before release. STLC comprises six key phases. The first phase of STLC requirement analysis. Tester reviews functional and non-functional requirements to spot gaps or ambiguities early. To ensure full coverage, they create a requirement traceability matrix or RTM, which link each requirement to its test case. Test planning is the second phase where the team defines objective, scope, strategy, timelines, and resources. Third phase is test case development. In this phase, we create and document test cases, prepare test data, and write scripts. These are peer review for accuracy and finalized for execution in the next stage. Fourth phase is test environment setup, which involves preparing hardware, software, network settings, and tools to replicate the production environment, ensuring realistic and reliable test result. Fifth phase is test execution. Test cases are executed as per the plan. The defects are logged with clear steps, retest after fixes, and the RTM is updated to reflect the coverage and status. Sixth phase is test cycle closure. Test cycle closure marks the end of testing, where we verify the exit criteria, compile metrics like pass fail ratio, document lesson learned, and prepare a test summary report. Thank you for your time and attention. I truly appreciate your support.